It's Chris here from B&B Off-ROAD Engineering. I've just finished the CRF300 radiator design. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to install them. I'd like to thank Scrivo from Scriven's Honda for the lend of the bike. Now, I have already skipped forward a little bit and I've removed the fairing, the front plastic louver. From memory is about 7 bolts and a couple of plastic clips. When you receive your guards, you'll get a nice shiny set. You'll get your aluminium front louver panel and the main frame, we like to call it. Got 2 cross braces, crush protection, and it's very simple to install. First off, I'm going to remove the 2 bolts at the back that hold the fan in place. We can discard those, we won't need them, and remove the radiator bolts. We're going to reuse these for installing the frame. And once you remove this bottom one, the radiator is going to drop out of position. Find it much easier once you maneuver the frame into position. You'll find in your mount kit M6 by 16 flange bolts, slightly longer than the genuine. If you start with those and just loosely get them started, that's going to hold the frame in position, so you've still got a bit of movement to align it if necessary. You grab the genuine bolts, just going to slip the big washer in between the frame and get the bolt through. Once you've got that there, I'm going to reposition the radiator. Get started, a couple of threads. And do the same for the top. Oh, and try not to do that.
We'll cut that.
Repeat for the top mount. Once you've got them started, it's really all going to fall into place. You've got your up and down positioning located from the back fan mounts. Before we tighten that up, we're going to tighten the radiator bolts. And go around to the back. You can nip these up. You have it. You can already feel that's nice and solid, still rubber mounted. And we install the front louver. You've got this channeled edge here. It's a fairly unique design. You've got the louvers for maximum airflow. It's going to slide in just like so. Just apply couple of M6 by 12 buttons. I have washers on those too. Can't really see what's going on. So I'm trying to block the camera. I'm just going to push that in as firm as I can. Just going to take any rattles out. Just nip them up. There you have it. That's how you install the CRF300 radiator guard. Install your fairing, your side shrouds, whatever you want to call them. There'll be no interference. We'll skip to the end and give you an overview. Thanks for watching.